right here we do your cards. So right here we do your cards. And what is this? No. What is this? Q. Hold on.
Quetzal, that's right.
H. Hippo, yay.
What is that?
Try again. That's enough.
Octopus. Or make up a word.
G. Hold on. Giraffe. M. Monkey, yay. Yes, D. Duck. P. Peacock. What is this, babe?
Kangaroo, that's right.
Yeah. What is this? Elephant, yay. Yay. Alligator, yes. Try again. No? Oh.
F. That's
F.
right. She did it.
F.
That's
Flamingo,
right.
yay. Yes. Caterpillar, yes. You're welcome. Yes. Turtle. Yes. Yes. Good job.
You're welcome.
Alright, what is this? Yes.
What's that? Rooster.
Rooster.
What's a rooster say? Cock-a-doodle-doo.
L.
Lion, that's right. What's that? Z.
Zebra. Yes. Close.
You're very close. It's a buffalo. It looks like a yak.
Buffalo. Okay. Nothing like it. Yes.
Iguana.
What's this? B. V. Vulture. What is this? Mm-hmm. Yeah, Urchins. You're welcome. Yes, that's why. Yes, that's the yak. Good job. Violet.
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish. Mm-hmm. You're welcome. X. It is a dog. Yes, W.
And she already said walrus.
Walrus.
She knew the animal by looking at the letter. You did very good.
Good job, Peppa.
Can you say hi?
Say hello. Are you a sweetie?
Are you a boo-boo? How old are you? How old are you? Are you 1 year old? Yeah, you're 1 year old. Can you count?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very
Yay, you skipped
good.
one, but that's okay.
Very good. She started with one.
Oh, did
Good
she?
job, Boo. Bye-bye.